Hi, welcome to my tutorial on how to fix your iPhone while watching a video to fix your iPhone. This looks very precious. First thing you need to do is find a YouTube video that teaches you how to fix your screen.
To start, we will remove the two pentalobe screws.
Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to iRepair Fast.
Hello and welcome to the iRepair Fast iPhone 6 screen. The superglue is not included. You may want to pick some of this up. We also utilize post-it notes. It's time to use our Phillips head driver to remove the shield. You can now gently fold over the camera ribbon. Slow and steady pays the bills on this one. Here, our technician is taking the camera housing and proximity sensor housing and making sure they are flipped right side up before applying them. Now that our technician is sure of the proper orientation of these brackets,